What causes your car to overheat? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, let's understand how an engine gets cooled. We have what we call radiator fluid or coolant or antifreeze that circulates through the engine, and that's what cools it. So we could have a problem with the radiator if we don't have good flow over that. So we could have a bad fan, or we could even have something like a plastic bag covering the radiator. So that can do it. We also have a thermostat that regulates the temperature. The thermostat can go bad. And the most common cause of overheating is we actually have some coolant loss. We have a leak somewhere. And in the case of this car, we have so many cars right now with overheating issues. This particular one has blown head gaskets. And so that's what's leaking. That car has some leaks from some turbo lines. So bottom line is we have to have the coolant flowing through the engine, and we have to have airflow over the radiator for it to cool. If any of that stuff's going wrong, we're going to have overheating. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.